I will restore the years the locust has eaten. Joel chapter number 2, verse number 25. Hear me. God did not say days. He did not say moments. He said years. The years you cried in silence. The years you worked with nothing to show for it. Years eaten by betrayal, addiction, delay, bad decisions, wrong timing, and wrong people. The locusts came quietly. It did not ask for permission. It just took. It took dreams, it took energy, it took joy, it took time. But God steps into the wreckage and says, I will restore. Not you may recover, not you may cope, not you will survive, but God says, I will restore. Restore what the enemy consumed in one season, God repays in another. What took years to lose, God restores in a moment. You thought the harvest was over, but God says the soil still remembers the seed. You thought heaven forgot your prayers, but God kept count of every tear. I will restore the years the locust has eaten, says the Lord. Not just the harvest. It is the confidence. It is the joy. It is the calling. It is the hope you buried. This is not payback. This is redemption. Lift your head. This is your season. The years are coming back, and they are coming back with interest.